Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, so Virgo, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? So we have Death card. Virgo, this is your current energy. Virgo, it seems like you have been through some tough time in life, okay, and something is about to start in your life, okay, because I always say that every ending is a sign of a new beginning. So with this Death card, it seems like something new is about to take place in your life, all right. This could be with regards to your relationship, with regards to your career, your finances, your goals, your life, your commitments, your family, your friends. It could be towards anything, but something is about to start in your life, okay, and soon there'll be and soon you will be able to understand why certain incidents happened in your life. You will be able to understand, okay, if something had happened with me in past, now it's okay. If that thing happened with me, it was for my own good sake, okay. So something is about to start in your life, Virgo. On the other hand, we have Page of Pentacles. It seems like this person wants to start something new, okay. This person is somebody who has a limited resources with them, but ample opportunities ahead, right? They have a very huge immense opportunities ahead, I can see, okay, but they have very limited resources because this person has this only single pentacle in their hand. So they are somebody who is very wise, who is very mature. They know how to spend their money, they know when to spend their money, they know how to invest their things in terms of emotions, in terms of finances, in terms of everything, okay. So they are not somebody who can be with anybody, okay. So they are somebody who is mature, who is wise, who is kind, who is compassionate, who is emotional, but they are also very smart because they know where they have to put their things, where they have to put their emotions, where they have to put their money, okay. So they are somebody who is very mature and wise person. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them, Virgo. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Laziness. Are you guys taking your life for granted with regards to your relationship thing? Because it seems like both of you are you guys are on the same page, but still you don't know each other, okay. You are not aware about their existence. They are not aware about your existence. So both of you are, even though both of you are on the same page, but still there are some certain things, or you guys are not aware about each other. That's what I'm feeling with this card. And with this laziness card, it seems like you are being somebody who is taking, or who is taking your life for granted. You are taking your relationships for granted with regards to your relationship, as in love relationship, not relationship with your friends and family. For them you are always ready, but yes, when it comes to your love life or your relationship with someone special, okay. So in that thing you feel like so lazy, okay. Who'll take time to find somebody, or who'll take, or who'll initiate something, this or some that, or some. So you have so many sums. So you are being lazy with regards to relationship and love thing in your life. This laziness card tells me that both of you are on the same page, okay, with this laziness card, and you need to take actions right now because this floor is about to break. Virgo people, this floor is about to break. You have to take certain action towards your love life, towards your relationship, all right. Okay, now I'm going to pull 3 cards to see what your person, or how your person sees you, what the actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. Okay, Okay, so with this past lives, it seems like your person sees you as somebody, even though you both of you are not, if you guys are know each other just on a friendship level, or you know them, or they know you, but like, I mean, both of you know each other by name or by face, but there is no connection between you and them. All right, so whenever they see you as somebody who is always, dwell into their past life. You are being somebody who always cry about your past life events or past events, okay, which had made you vulnerable, which had made you bitter, which had made you um, covered in some cases, or somewhere they had made you honest, they had made you brave and all that. Okay, so whatever the case it is, you are somebody for in with as per them, you are somebody who always dwell into your past. Okay, it could also happen, Virgo, that you are living your old memories with your friends, memories with your family members, memories with your loved ones. All right, so you are thinking about something which was the part of your life. Okay, this could be a person, this could be a relationship, this could be a family, friend, anything. Okay, the current action which they are taking towards you is that they are trying to understand why you are in this energy. Okay, why you want to be in this energy, what the thing is, what is the thing which is bothering you. Okay, so they had projected something else about you, and now the more they'll be, they are starting to talk about you, or they'll be thinking about you more, they'll be get to know, okay, if this person is behaving in this way of, or if this is if this is the pattern of their life, then something has happened with them in past. Okay, they have been through something in life, they have been through some bad phases in their life or good phases in their life, that's why they are thinking in that manner. Okay, so whatever they had projected towards you in past, their false projections towards you is, shattering now, and they'll be starting, or they have started growing some feelings, or they have started looking at you from a different perspective. All right, and in future, new vision card says to me that the moment they'll be out from this energy, the moment they'll figure out what kind of a person you are, they are definitely going to change their vision towards you, they are definitely going to take some action towards you. Perhaps they can ask you for a date, perhaps they can ask you for a coffee, or perhaps they can ask you to move out somewhere with them. Okay, so some kind of a communication, some kind of action you can expect from them in future. Okay, because they are going to change, or their vision is going to change in future. All right, okay, so that was your reading, Virgo. So it seems like, Virgo, you are dealing with some Scorpio, or some earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So you guys can deal with any of the signs. All right, okay. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.